How to change Instagram notification sound. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Instagram notification sound. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Instagram app. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap on menu in the top right. Then here tap on settings. Here tap on notifications. And here tap on from Instagram. Now here scroll down. Tap on additional options in system settings. Now here scroll down. And here select the feature for which you want to change the notification sound. So for example, I will select likes. Now here tap on volume. Now here select the notification sound you want. After selecting, go back and it will be saved. So this is how you can change your Instagram notification sound. Thanks for watching.